Hello and welcome back to NorCal 715. Today I have this little Sony micro cassette recorder. Records on these little small audio tapes. And this one is a model M-570V. And I already tested it. And even though I know on this tape there is a recording, I don't get any audio. I get a hiss though that tells me the amplifier is working. And if I adjust the volume up and down, I can change the amount of the hiss. So I suspect the record play switch is just oxidized. So let's try to get this little tiny micro cassette recorder open and see if we can get to the record play switch in it. So I'm just going to remove the screws from the back. Oh, I see a couple snaps in here we've got to release. Battery door came off. Whoa! Well, the back is off. Shot off of there. Let's go ahead and try to take those two screws out of there. There we go. Now let's see if the board's going to lift up out of here. Let's peel this tape away. Well, we got 2 out of the 3 tapes. Okay, so I've got it ready here. I've got the board detached. It's all loose. I'm just going to go ahead and take my Hacko and unsolder this ribbon cable real quickly. I may have to heat it up to get it to come off of the board. There's adhesive on it. Nope, it's loose. So it's got adhesive on the bottom. Go ahead and try to get it loose. And let's see if we can just unhook the microphone since the case is off. Yes. There is the mechanism, and there is the record play switch right here. So we'll get a little bit of Deoxid D5, give her a little spritz. We'll work the switch back and forth a few times. Give her another spritz. One more time. We'll work it back and forth a few times. Now I'll get a rag and I'm just going to blot up the excess here. I see another switch. I'm going to go ahead and give that one a spritz too. I'm just going to go ahead and depress it. Work it in and out a few times. We'll give it one more squirt. We'll blot it back up. Now the belts and everything look absolutely fine in here. Oh yeah, they're grabbing good. So let's go ahead and put the board back in it. I'll put the screws back in it. let's go ahead and reattach the flex cable. Now go ahead and tack it down. There we go. It's all reattached. Let's go ahead and put the microphone back in it. Now let's go ahead and put their tape back on it. Hold the cable back in. Go ahead and tape down the other cable. Right there. So let's go ahead and put the side back on it. We should be just fine at that point. Alright, I got the back snapped on it, so let's put these two mega long screws back into it. Go ahead and tighten them up. These things strip really easily, so be very careful. Now we'll put the batteries back in it. Close the lid. Press play. I hear audio. Let's work the record play switch a couple times. Alright, so what I'm doing, you saw me stick my thumb in there. I'm actually pushing this tab back right there, which is the record play interlock. So on these tapes, on the side of it, there's a tab right here. If you knock that tab out, then this lever right here does not ever engage. And so when that happens, you cannot push the record play switch down. If I simply push that tab in, then it allows me to go ahead and press the record button down. So let's go ahead and put a tape in it. We'll hit play. I hear audio. Fast. Reverse. Forward. Stop. We'll rewind it. Play. I hear some audio. So let's go ahead and rewind it. And we'll just record for 5 seconds. Audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change speeds. 1.2 centimeters instead of 2.4. Audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll rewind it. Put it back on 2.4 centimeters. Press play. Audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change speeds. 1.2 centimeters instead of 2.4. Audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. I think we got a solid repair on this little Sony M-570V micro cassette recorder. They don't call it a recorder. Sony has called them corders forever. Anyhow, I think we got a solid repair on this one. So if you did enjoy this video, please consider making a donation on my YouTube homepage with the PayPal donate button, or at paypal.me/NorCal715. Remember, with your help, we can keep these things out of the landfill and out of the recycle bin. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.